People are so friendly, everyone is so helpful. The culture here is so great, the environment is so good, so yeah.
The facilities here in Unitec, it's great, and I always get my problems solved perfectly.
Class sizes are really small, which helps us learn better.
There's so much international students here, and so I really like it.
We get more hands-on experience on these things. So it's just like a real-life scenario.
So the program here was suited to what I wanted. It was actually an easy choice for me, to be honest.
The surprise was as well that I found myself, as I was a shy girl. When I came here, I asked questions and I became really confident.
The lifestyle, of New Zealand, I love it.
Nau mai, haere mai ki te whānau o te whare wānanga o Wairaka.